Hello, boys and girls. Today I'm going to be reading to you a passage called Treasure Underfoot. This goes along with Investigation 2, the hardness test. All right, Treasure Underfoot. Did you know there is treasure beneath you? Some of the most useful things on the earth come from under its surface. Your jewelry, your bicycle, the walls and windows of your house, the cans that hold your food, and the dishes in your kitchen all come from the materials that make up the earth. People have taken minerals from the ground for thousands of years. They have turned them into tools, pottery, and jewelry. At first, people used shovels to move the layer of soil covering the minerals. They dug mines underground using picks. Sometimes the mines reached down hundreds of meters into hillsides and mountains. Miners carried minerals to the surface through narrow passages. It was a dirty and dangerous job. At times, children were forced to do the work. Oh my goodness. Today, mining is done in many ways. People mine underground and in open pits. They move earth with excavating machines and backhoes. Mechanical shovels with spinning teeth cut through rock. Explosive charges break rock into pieces. The way people mine depends on the mineral they are digging up. It also depends on where the mineral is found. Hard facts. Did you know? The first iron used to make tools was not mined, but came from meteorites. Cleopatra's mines were rediscovered in 1818 in the desert south of Cairo. In ancient times, Egypt supplied the world with emeralds. A large amount of gold was found in North America between 1850 and 1875. It was more gold than was found in the world in the 350 years before that. Only about 1 in 1,000 prospectors ever struck gold in the western United States. Miners threw away tons of bluish rock as they dug for gold in the Utah Territory. In 1859, that rock was identified as silver ore. More than half the world's gold mined since 1886 has come from the coast of South Africa. Wow. Now, it's not too late to join the gold rush. You can join the gold rush. Many federal and state lands are open to gold mining. Modern prospectors try their luck in states such as California, Washington, and Oregon. They pan for fun in historic mine areas, rivers, and streams. Sometimes special events are held in places such as Tuckahoe State Park in Maryland and the Oakland Museum in California. Kids are taught how to pan for gold there. X marks the spot. This is our second article for today. In our time, science helps us detect useful resources. Geologists use special instruments on the ground and in airplanes. They even use artificial satellites to study the Earth. In the past, however, valuable minerals were often found by accident or because they lay near the surface. Sometimes a single diamond or nugget of gold led the way to a major deposit. So let's take a look. Look over here, my friends. Farm boys discover a valuable diamond. 2 local boys have found treasure. Erasmus Jacobs brought home a pretty stone last week. It proved to be a 21-carat diamond. The diamond had been lying in the dirt of a Hopetown farm near the bank of the Orange River. A boy from the Coquihai tribe picked it up and gave it to Erasmus. The diamond is about the size of a marble. It has been named Eureka. And that, my friends, was from October 21st, 1867. So let's see what happened. Another Hopetown diamond find. Look at that. November the 5th, 1869. Hopetown. It has been just 2 years since a boy found a diamond here. Now, boy, a young Greeka sheep herder, has found another. He thought it was a nice stone. Tried to use it to buy a night's lodging at an inn, but was turned away. Later, a boy traded the stone for 10 oxen, 500 sheep, a horse, and a wagon. The stone turned out to be an 83.5 carat diamond. It has been named the Star of South Africa. People suspect there may be more diamonds in the area. Wow, 83.5 5? Are you kidding? That is a lot of diamond. Gold in the Klondike. San Francisco, California. 2 steamers. This is from July 21st of 1897. 2 steamers from Alaska arrived here this week. They carried so much gold that one witness claimed it lay stacked in staterooms like suitcases. Lucky prospectors on board had learned of a gold strike made by George Washington Carmack. Carmack was born in California. He went north to Alaska to fish for salmon. Last August, he discovered gold in Rabbit Creek. Carmack's father was a 49er in the California gold rush. Now, thousands are sure to travel north in a new stampede for gold. Rabbit Creek has been renamed Bonanza Creek. It lies between the Klondike and Indian Rivers in Alaska. Now, here comes April the 3rd, 1849, the New York Gazette. Oh my goodness, check this out. Gold discovered in California on January 24th of last year. And again, this is April 3rd, 1849. So that would have been 1848. James Marshall was building a water channel for a mill. He saw something yellow and shiny in the water. It was only about half the size of a pea. Marshall knew right away what it was. Boys, he told his workers, I believe I have found a gold mine. Marshall's partner owns the land with the gold. His name is John Suter. Suter's mill is on the American River in the Sacramento Valley of California. People are rushing to this new part of the United States to find more gold. Go to California and strike it rich. In the East, the rate of pay is $1 for each day's work. In California, panning for gold may bring between $15 and $30 a day. Now, mind you, this was in 1849, so that was a lot of money back then. Some prospectors claim to find hundreds of dollars worth of gold daily. Wow, hundreds of dollars back in 1849? That'd be like thousands of dollars today. They search for gold in streams and dried up riverbeds. The gold is found as flakes, dust, and nuggets. It was washed there by erosion. And we're going to talk about erosion. We're actually going to watch a Bill Nye the Science Guy video on erosion. One lucky searcher said, all you need is a shovel, a washing pan, and the will to work. It is hard work, my friends. Panning gold is no joke. Gold fever. President James Polk spoke to the U.S. Congress last December. He told of a large amounts of gold in California. Word quickly spread around the world. Thousands of people have been struck with gold fever. They travel to California from the settled parts of the U.S. They journey from Central and South America. They come from all parts of Europe. They even come from places as far away as Asia and Australia. They all are seeking their fortunes in the riverbeds and gold mines of California. All right. So we are going to take those 2 articles that I just read to you, and you are going to have some questions that I'm going to ask you to respond to. So feel free to rewind the video, listen to me read again, or pause so you can read on your own. And I can't wait to see what you write about. See you soon.